first video at the new gym that will be open really, really soon. But let me get into this real quick for you tonight. I don't know if it's the energy on the earth right now, but there's a lot of negativity going on that I see, and a lot of people are going through some stuff. So my thing is this is going to be, I want you to pay attention to what I'm talking about. And this topic is, it's what's in you. Now listen to this. I'm going to try to paint a picture for you. If you was holding a cup of coffee, you was holding a cup of coffee, and somebody bumped into you, what's going to spill out? Common sense, what's going to spill out? Coffee, because you're holding a cup of coffee. If you was holding a cup of tea, what would spill out? Tea. If you was holding a pop, somebody bumped into you, what's going to spill out? Pop. Common sense, right? So, my point is, whatever is in you, whatever is in you, whatever is in your mind, whatever is in your mind is what's going to spill out. Right? Common sense. So, here comes life, comes along, life comes along and knocks you on your fucking ass. Life comes along, blindsides you, knocks you down, hurts you. Life comes along and busts that ass. What's going to come out? What is going to come out of you? What's going to come out of you when life knocks you on your ass? When life blindsides you? When life sweeps you off your fucking feet and you fall back first, head first into the ground? What's going to come out of you is whatever you have put inside of you. Whatever you have put inside this mind. Whatever you have seen. Whatever you've been speaking, because that's inside of you. Whatever you've been feeling. That is what's going to come out when life sweeps you off your feet in a bad way. It's easy. It's easy as hell to fake it. It's easy as hell to fake happiness. It's easy as hell to fake I'm happy, I'm prideful, I'm grateful, I'm whatever. Until life rattles that ass. Until life blindsides you and hits you. Like somebody running a red light. It's easy as hell to fake until that happens. So, ask yourself this. When that happens, when life busts that ass, what's going to come out of you? What's going to spill out of you? Happiness? Joy? Peace? Gratefulness? Kind words? Is that what's going to spill out of you when life busts your ass? When life hits you? Like a car running a red light? Damn near kills you? Knocks you off your feet? You can't eat? You can't sleep? Is that what's going to come out of your mouth? When life busts your ass, what's going to come out of your mouth? Happy words? Joy? Are you going to be grateful? Are you going to speak positive about people? I bet you're not. Because what have you been filling your cup with for so long? What have you been filling your mind with for so long? Your cup is your mind. Your cup is your eyes. Your cup is the words that you speak. Your cup is how you feel. What have you been filling your cup with? Have you been filling your cup with stuff that is going to make you speak happiness when life busts your ass? Are you going to speak great? Are you going to be grateful when life busts your ass? Are you going to speak joy? Are you going to be give people words of encouragement? Or are you going to be hateful? Huh? Or are you going to cause drama? Or are you going to gossip? Right? Are you going to be jealous? Are you going to let jealousy take over? Are you going to be angry? Shit. Are you going to be bitter? What are you going to be? What have you been filling your cup with? What have you been filling your mind with? Who have you been putting yourself around to fill your mind? Because that's what is going to come out of your fucking mouth. What have you been putting in your mind? What have you been reading? What have you been looking at? How have you been talking with your peer group? Because when life busts your ass, what's going to come out of your cup is whatever you have been filling it up with on a daily basis. And your peer group has a big effect on what's going to spill out of that cup when you get ran the fuck over by life. So what we need to do is, because it's your choice, it's our choice what we fill our cups with. So what do we need to fill our cup with? So when life comes along and busts that ass again, because it's going to happen again, what do we need to do? We need to fill our cup with joy, right? Some happiness. Right? We need to out of our mouth, we need to give words of encouragement to people. Don't worry about what that, words of encouragement, right? We need to love one another, right? We need to focus on progress. We need to focus on progress. We need to change. We need to admit. We need to admit. When we start filling our minds and our eyes, start reading differently, start speaking differently, and start filling our brains with different things, not the norm, not our everyday routine that we're used to. Start filling it with different things, new things, things that are going to make you grow, things that are going to make you think differently, things that are going to make you have to sit back and think about what you're doing. It's not routine. You can't do it with your eyes closed. That's where growth comes in at. If you can do something with your eyes closed, that's simple. There's no growth in that. Start doing something that you have to concentrate on. You can't do nothing else because you got to concentrate on it. So the next time life busts that ass, what won't come out is hatred and drama and gossip and words that belittle people. The jealousy, the envy, none of that's going to come out. The next time life busts your ass, you're going to be grateful. You're going to look at that like, man, I'm glad this happened to me so I can change. Instead of, man, I'm about to talk shit. I'm about to blast this person. No, you know what? I'm glad life did that to me. I'm going to use that as a change. I'm going to use that as an experience to change. I'm going to take a different pattern. Instead of going this route, I'm going to go this route with that. Right? Next time life busts that ass, you have the choice to make whatever life does to you, you have a choice to make it a bad situation or a good situation. No matter what it is, you give it the meaning. So give it a positive meaning. No matter how much it hurts you. Speak positive to somebody. Speak words of encouragement to somebody. Speak some growth into somebody. Speak change into somebody. Help someone. Instead of going the other route and posting on social media or downing someone or talking shit about someone. All you did was the same thing that life just did to you. Busted that ass. Use it as a learning experience, people. Fill your mind. Because whatever you fill your mind with, that's how you're going to see the world. And however you see the world is how you're going to speak about the world. And that's how you're going to ultimately feel when life busts that ass again, because it's going to happen. Enjoy.